all in the inaugural ceremony of 2 days international conference on emerging trends in complex systems, advanced material and photonics 2025. It is jointly organized by Department of Pure and Applied Physics, Guru Ghasidas Vishwavidyalaya, the State University of New York, USA, and Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, IISER Mohali, India. This conference is sponsored by Chhattisgarh Council of Science and Technology, Department of Science and Technology, DST, India. Now, I request our guest to join us in the lighting of the lamp and garlanding of Ma Saraswati and Guru Ghasidas Baba. Welcome them with sapling as a token of our respect. I would like to invite Professor H.S. Tiwari, Dean of Physical Sciences, to extend a warm welcome to IQAC Director, Professor Amit Kumar Saxena, sir. Now, it's time to welcome our chief guest, Professor Alexander, State University of New York. I request Professor Arun Kumar Singh to come and welcome Professor Alexander. I request Professor M.N. Tripathi, sir, to extend warm welcome to Professor Sanjay Puri, sir. In that row, I would like to call Professor K.N. Singh to welcome our Dean Physical Sciences, Professor H.S. Tiwari, sir. Now I request Professor R.P. Patel to welcome our head of the department, Professor Parijat Thakur, sir. Now it's time to welcome our conference chairman, Dr. Rajesh Sharma, sir, with sapling. I will call Dr. Alka Singh to do the honor. Next, I will call Dr. Aarti Srivastav to welcome Dr. Avdesh Kumar Dubey, convener of the conference. I welcome our guest on the dais. I am glad to inform that people all over the country have shown their overwhelming response towards this conference, International Conference on Emerging Trends in Complex Systems, Advanced Material and Photonics. It is a 2-day event jointly organized by Guru Ghasidas Vishwavidyalaya, Bilaspur, IISER Mohali, the State University of New York, USA. We have participants all over the Indian Institute, universities, as well as from the worldwide universities. We have invitees, presenters, participants from NIT, IIT, IISER and many more. In that row, we will also have in today's event memorandum of understanding between GGV and State University of New York. To give more details about the conference, I would like to invite Dr. Rajesh Sharma, who is the conference chairman. Sir, please come.
African registration as well. So it is all the segments of the society, quality and quantity as well. So that is one of the theme of this conference. Quantity not in the, without compromising the quality, we are not going to increase the quantity. So that is one of the things which we have seen in this conference. So all the speakers and the main highlights are 2 things. That we want to throw a question to the scientific community that why there are no Nobel Prizes won by the Indian scientists despite a long history. If you recall, okay, from 1930 there were some of the things, but overall it is not there. So with the help of this conference, we would like to throw a question to the scientific community that the terahertz radiations which are recently being evolving, can we get that Nobel Prize? And the question is that, are you able to discover the sources which can operate at room temperature? So that will be a discovery. So that is one question. Second is, nowadays we started with the attosecond pulses. The pulses which are like 10 raised power minus 18 seconds. So that is one of the technology. So that is also we are going to throw a question to the scientific community with the help of this conference. Can we beat that number which is 10 raised power minus 8 seconds? That is also one question which we would like to answer. Or answer is difficult, okay? Because there are fundamental limits in physics. So we have to look at all these things. No? And there is another thing with the help of this conference that we were able to make an understanding. Professor Alex from State University of New York, we met in a conference, and then this friendship evolved, and then this went on, and we went to one stage where we were able to convince Professor Alexander and the authorities and the president of State University of New York to have a memorandum of understanding between Guru Ghansdas Vishwavidyalaya and State University of New York, United States of America. And finally, we agreed and we have signed that MOU in last year. Today we were, our director IQAC is there, so we would have only the ceremony which is like exchange of the MOU. It is already signed. Okay. That is one of the things. And the delegates, I would like to apologize for delay, and I would like to welcome everyone in this conference that let's streamline our ideas, let's try to build up a new future for us, and what question we are throwing with the help of this conference. So it would be little bit exaggeration to ask Nobel Prize from the people around quickly. So it will be evolving idea. So apologies for that idea. So I would like to thank everyone for participating in this conference, and I would like to welcome everyone to have the understanding, to increase the knowledge, and to participate in international activities. Okay, thank you.
I would like to invite Professor Parijat Thakur, Head of the Department of Physics, to address the gathering.
Most respected, our beloved one, our Vice Chancellor, Professor Alok Kumar Chakraval sir, Professor Amit Saxena sir, IQC Director, and right now he is representing our Vice Chancellor sir, Professor Neelambari Dave Madam, ex-Vice Chancellor, Saurashtra University, Professor Sanjay Puri sir from JNU, Professor Alexander, Professor Rajesh Tiwari, our Dean Physical Science, Dr. Rajesh Sharma, convener of the conference, Dr. Avdesh Dubey, Organizing Secretary of the conference. So I feel proud and happy to have such kind of conference in our department in the field of emerging trend in complex systems and photonics and advanced materials. For the young mind, with the lecture and idea and innovative idea that was shared by the expert and renowned fellow who are here as a keynote speaker and also invited speaker. So whenever the young mind go back to their home, of course they will refine their research and this and also they will have the productive career. And I wish you all the best for the great success of this conference. Thank you. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind, Jai Chhattisgarh.
Now I request Professor H.S. Tiwari, Dean of Physical Sciences, to address the conference invitees and participants.
In general and Department of Pure and Applied Physics, I welcome all delegates who are joining this conference, online or offline. On dais, most respected our IQAC Director, Professor Amit Kumar Saxena sir, who is representing our Vice Chancellor because of his busy schedule. He was very busy today, our Vice Chancellor. So I also welcome Professor Sanjay Puri, sir from JNU New Delhi, and Professor Alexander from USA. I also welcome Head of the Department of Physics Department, Professor Parijat Thakur, Dr. Avdesh Dubey, and Dr. Rajesh Sharma sir. So we have delegates from all around the India and abroad. Especially we have delegates from Ayodhya, the Ram Manohar Lohia University, BHU, IIT Delhi, Madam Varsha Banerjee is present. So we started this session early morning today to accommodate all lectures. So we started our seminar around first session around 9:30, and Madam was presenting as a chairman of that session. So it gives me immense pleasure that Department of Pure and Applied Physics, Guru Ghazidas Vishwavidyalaya, and with the State University of New York, USA, Indian Institute of Science and Education Research, Mohali, are jointly organizing an international conference on emerging trends in complex system, advanced materials, and photonics in hybrid mode for 2 days. It was today and tomorrow. So the topic of the conference is great relevance to modern society as a complex systems, advanced materials, photonics are at the core to make the world a better place. Recent trends in advanced materials includes a strong focus on sustainability with the development of eco-friendly materials alongside advantages in smart materials, further fueled by the increasing use of artificial intelligence, machine learning to optimize the metal design and accelerate discovery of new materials through materials informatics, which is now gaining more importance. So I hope that the deliveries given in this 2 days conference will be very fruitful to young minds. And as Rajesh Sharma ji told that we are missing Nobel Prize, so someone of us will be able to bring this prize for India. So again, I welcome you all present online or offline. And
Now it's time to hear our international guest, chief guest of the program, Professor Alexander, the State University of New York. Please come and say a few words.
But to be serious, yes, to echo what was just said, I mean, there is a good saying that there is, a single light of science, and to brighten it anywhere is to brighten it everywhere. So I think this is a great opportunity for me. This is a great opportunity for everybody, and I think this is really what this is all about. It's about trying to make sure that knowledge is being delivered everywhere, and I think that's really what Rajesh was saying, that yes, there are intelligent people in every part of the world, and just because you were born in one part of the world versus the other shouldn't lessen your chances of fulfilling your true potential, and I think that's why we're trying to do this internationally, to make sure that everyone can live their scientific life to their fullest, and that's, I think, a small step in that direction. So that's why I'm here. So thank you very much for inviting me.
It's my privilege to invite guest of honor, Professor Sanjay Puri, JNU New Delhi, to address the audience. Sir, please come.
Esteemed delegates and students in particular, because we all do all this for students basically. I really would like to thank the Guru Ghazidas University for inviting us all here. And I'd like to thank the chairman, the convener, and in total the entire physics department, as a matter of fact, for putting such an excellent program together. I mean, as Professor Sharma pointed out, its groove started from humble sort of nucleus, but now it's grown into a sort of big tree spanning various disciplines of various areas of physics. And the quality of speakers, the sort of subjects being deliberated on are really good. Okay, so it's for me a great pleasure to be here. I know your university for a long time. It's a very well-known university. But this is my first occasion to visit here, and I'm very impressed at your campus and at your facilities. Yeah. Last thing I want to say is that I'm particularly happy to see so many students in the lectures in the morning and also in this inauguration ceremony. You represent what comes tomorrow, basically, and all our hopes are pinned on you doing better than we have done today. This is our aspiration. We sort of, you all have the potential to go out and excel and achieve your maximum. And once you achieve your maximum, any goals sort of are not out of reach. So have a very good time in this conference, and thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you.
Now we'll have a brief ceremony of exchange of MOU between Guru Ghazidas Vishwavidyalaya Bilaspur and State University of New York, Albany, USA. This MOU is to promote international understanding and the cultural ties, to broaden the experience of faculties and students between both the universities. Now I request Dr. Alka ma'am to bring the file. Director IQAC Professor Amit Kumar Saxena and Professor Alexander.
And all dignitaries, all the faculty members, all the students, researchers, participants of this conference, two-day conference. This is a very good time, particularly when we are going to celebrate National Science Day tomorrow, 28th. So this is very right occasion to have an activity of the related to science. The International Conference on Emerging Trends in Complex Systems, Advanced Materials and Photonics, which is going to be held in the hybrid mode. And the trend is, these days, literally you cannot call, everybody may not be comfortable to visit in the physical mode. So now the trend is to conduct the conferences in the hybrid mode so that each and everybody from their own location, from their place can attend the conference. Speakers have also the freedom out of their busy schedule. And we really miss our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Alok Kumar Chakrabarti ji, because of busy schedule, he was not able to attend it, but he is very enthusiastic, and because of him only, all these activities are taking shape and taking place. So I wish a good luck and very good time to all of you. Thank you very much for inviting me.
Thank you, Professor Saxena, for your words of wisdom. Now I request Dr. Avdesh Kumar Dubey for vote of thanks.
This is really a great occasion, and this is actually my pleasure to being the part of this conference. And as Dr. Sarma said, that this idea actually started with a brief discussion with Professor Sanjay Puri, that we were talking about having some meeting, some group meeting or some meeting at a little bit larger scale. But that idea actually now is very grown up, and we have a huge number of participants. Not only from all over India, but out of India, of many countries are involved now. So we are happy that we have such a good number of gathering from various institutes of different levels, from very high institutes and from local institutes and from local colleges also.
So I hope that by 2030, the people will obtain the room temperature terahertz QCR in both like pulsed, but not in continuous. Continuous is very difficult. So in pulse mode, at least if we get the terahertz QCR, then it will be next Nobel Prize. So with that topic, Dr. Deepak Kumar is working right now. Okay, Dr. Deepak Kumar, welcome to this.